In this video, we are going to talk about differences between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Traditionally, the subject matter of economics has been studied under two broad branches. These are micro and macroeconomics. In microeconomics, we study the behavior of individual economic agents in the market for different goods and services and try to figure out how prices and quantities of goods and services are determined through the interaction of individuals in these markets. So, micro means small, macro means large. Microeconomics is the study at individual level, at a single market, in a single sector. But macroeconomics deals with aggregates. A study of economy as a whole. Study of economy as a whole means study of whole nation, where the country is going towards. There is a close connection between micro and macroeconomics. The totality of outcomes of microeconomics is almost similar to the outcome of macroeconomics when we study whole economy as one. In macroeconomics, we try to get an understanding of economy as a whole by focusing our attention on aggregate measures like total output, national income, employment level, aggregate price level, inflation, depression, boom periods in the country. Here, we are interested in finding out how the levels of these aggregates measures are determined and how the level of these aggregate measures change over a time. How the time value of money has changed. How far the inflation rate has increased or decreased. The variations in prices over a certain period of time. All that is seen. Some of the important questions that are studied in microeconomics are: what is the level of total output in the economy? How is the total output determined? How does the total output grow over time? Are the resources of the economy like labor, land, machines, they are fully employed? What are the reasons behind the unemployment of resources? Why do the prices rise? Thus, instead of studying the different markets as is done in microeconomics, in macroeconomics, we try to study the behavior of aggregates or macro measures of the performance of the economy. So, it must be clear that microeconomics is dealing at individual level in a single market, in a single sector, whereas macroeconomics is the measure of aggregates as at national level, as economy as a whole. The unemployment rates, the price level changes in the country, the trends, consumption trends in the country, right? The different industrial factors, industrial trends in the country, inflation, depressions that are going on. So, there is a close connection between micro and macroeconomics, but micro deals at individual level, whereas macro deals at the national level as economy, as one, as a whole, right? So these are the differences between micro and macroeconomics. That's all for today. In our next video, we will study about different aggregates in macroeconomics. Class, thank you, Shan Stars. Take care, all of you.